Hello students, welcome to the class of accountancy, ISC class 12th. Today we are going to start very easy and very interesting topic, that is issue of debentures. Sir, we were discussing about debentures in our commerce. Yes, my dear students, the same thing is here. Only the point is we are going to cover the numerical aspect of issue of debentures in this lecture. As shares are issued to the general public, the same way debentures are issued to the general public. And you know the difference between shares and debentures. Shares are the owner's capital, isn't it? And debentures are the debt. So we are going to study only issue of fresh debentures, either in the form of cash or in kind. So what are the topics which we are going to study here? See, I'll just explain you the numerical portion more, as these topics are already covered. Meaning and features of debentures, it is exactly same which you have studied in your chapter 3 of commerce. Types of debentures, okay, difference. Since the theory is only for 2 marks, means the maximum number of mark in particular question in theory is 2 marks in your accountancy. Okay, so need not to learn, only to understand and write the points in the examination. Okay, now still I'll give you a brief note on debentures. So when their company wants fund and it has already issued shares, so the other way of raising fund is issue of debentures. Okay, so company can raise capital by the issue of an instrument called debentures. Is this clear? So a debenture is issued by a company in the form of certificate which contains the term of the repayment of the principal amount at a specified date and the terms of payment of interest at a fixed percentage. As I told you, debentures carry fixed interest, isn't it? That is to be paid every half yearly, and the principal amount and the maximum time for which debentures are issued are 10 years and 30 years in case of infrastructure project. Those who have not viewed my lecture on debentures, first go and check that lecture in commerce. Okay, every single detail has been given there. Now, what is debentures? Debentures, according to the Companies Act 2013, and section is 230, debentures includes debenture, stock, bonds and any other securities of a company, whether constituting a charge on the asset of the company or not. Charge on the asset, you know, fixed charges and floating charges. Okay, so what are the features of debentures? It's acknowledgement of debt, okay, to pay certain amount of money at the maturity, then periodic payment of the rate of interest. Is this clear? So everything is mentioned in detail. You can just read your text and listen my lecture on debentures which I have given in the online commerce class. Okay, so kinds of debentures, just have a revision. Kinds of debentures: secured and unsecured debentures, isn't it? Naked and registered debentures, redeemable and irredeemable debentures, convertible and non-convertible debentures. Okay, now debentures can be issued at par, premium, and discount. See, this discount point was not covered in issue of shares, because after Companies Act 2013, the company cannot issue debentures at discounting rate. Okay, only they can issue ESOP and sweat equity shares at discounted rate, which are not covered under your syllabus. So in accountancy you have not studied in previous chapter, that is issue of shares. You have not studied about issue of debentures at issue of shares at discount. Okay, now we will move on to the numerical portion. X Limited issued 5,000 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 5%. That means 100 plus 5. Is this clear? So on application 30 rupees is being called, on allotment 40 rupees is called, and the balance, so what is the balance? 35 rupees, isn't it? So 35 rupees on first and final call. Application was received for 6,000 shares, 6,000 debentures, and allotment was made on pro rata basis to all applicants. So we have to pass the necessary journal entries. Very easy, my dear student. This is very easy. Exactly the similar way we issued shares to the general public. Okay, these are the journal entries of initial issue. Okay, that means fresh issue. See, very easy. Only the point is, if you remember all the journal entries of previous chapter, only the name will change, rest everything is going to be same. Sir, similar way? Yes, exactly similar way. Sir, the first entry, then bank account debit to share application account. Yes, my dear student, only the name of share will be exchanged by debentures. One more thing you have to pay attention is, see, every debentures carry interest, and that rate of interest is mentioned just prior to the name of the debenture. Is this clear? See, 12% debentures, 13% debentures, isn't it? Okay, every detail as I told you is there in commerce lecture. Okay, watch it, listen to it carefully. Now moving on to the solution. In the books of X Limited journal entries, see, bank account debit to 12% debentures. This application, earlier you used to write share 1 when shares were issued, isn't it? Now you are writing debentures. Remember this journal entry? Yes sir, yes, we are very familiar with this. Very good, my dear students. So how many application came for debentures? 6,000 of rupees 30 each, isn't it? Yes, my dear, calculations are same, no changes. Only the changes, instead of share you have to write debentures. So first entry is clear to you? Yes sir. Now moving on to the second entry, 12% debentures application. Yes or no? You used to write share application account debit to share capital. Now instead of share capital, what you have to write? To 12% debentures, because this is the question of debentures. Okay, then securities premium will be credited as it is by rupees 5, isn't it? Because 5 rupees on how many shares? 5,000. Okay, then to 12% debentures allotment account. See, there was excess money received, so this is 1,000 into 5 rupees. Is this point clear? This is the amount. Now 12% debentures allotment account to 12% debentures account. See, instead of share, we are just changing with debentures, and the rate of the debentures are mentioned there. Is this clear? Okay, so I hope this entry is clear to you. Now, bank account debit to debentures allotment account. See, my dear students, this why this 1,70,000, because 30,000 was received at the time of application, isn't it? That's why. So the excess money is utilized. So we'll get only 1,70,000 here. Then first call will be made in the similar manner. So the amount was 35 rupees of first and final call. Here it is. So 5,000 into 35, 1,75,000, and we'll receive the money. So this is the last journal entry of this question. Okay. सर ये तो बहुत ही आसान है, एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर. येस माय डियर स्टूडेंट, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस. दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड द चैप्टर इज वेरी सिंपल एंड इजी and interesting too. Okay, now question number 1 is your homework. You have to do question number 1, and in the next lecture we are going to discuss issue of debentures at discount. Okay student, stay at home, stay safe, stay blessed. Have a good day.